You've probably seen while scrolling on social media those cool jelly masks that peel off your face. Have you ever wanted to do one at home? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to easily apply and remove a jelly mask all by yourself. Hi, I'm Amy Witters. I'm a licensed esthetician and skincare consultant, and this channel is all about how to take the best care of your skin. I upload videos weekly, so be sure to subscribe, and if you already are subscribed, welcome back. Also be sure to check out the online store, and if you do decide to purchase, please use promo code FACIALS101 to get 10% off of your order. Did you know one of the most common culprits of dry skin is an electrolyte imbalance? Esthemax jelly masks actually have electrolytes in them, which is going to help your skin retain moisture and keep it healthy and looking its best. They actually have a range of different types of jelly masks to cater to each skin concern. They have one for brightening, they have one for scarring, they have one for antioxidants to help from free radical damage. This one today we're going to be using is the illuminating orange, and it is great for blemishes, hyperpigmentation, and also just to give your skin a really healthy glow. My skin has been super irritated lately from all this mask wearing, so the vitamin C in this is going to help my skin appear more supple, help brighten, and also remove dead skin cells. This mask would also be great for people with hyperpigmentation or age spots as well, due to the niacinamide and glutathione, which will help reduce large pores and blemishes, as well as help the skin eliminate free radicals that damage our skin at the cellular level. Now that we know what jelly masks are and the benefits, let's get into how to apply one. So the kit comes with everything you need to apply the mask. We're gonna mix the powder with the water to create a pancake batter-like consistency. The thicker you apply the mask, the easier it will be to remove. Once it's all mixed up and you're ready to apply, take any serum that you have and apply that first. The jelly mask is going to cool the temperature of your skin, which is going to create a vacuum-like seal between the mask and the serum. So the serum will get pushed really deep into the skin and actually be infused. Not only that, this will give the mask some slide, which will make it easier to remove when it's time. Now that the mask has been on the skin for about 15 to 20 minutes, here comes the fun part. Once the mask is removed, I like to take some warm cotton rounds or a warm towel and remove any remaining jelly that's left on the skin. After that, be sure to use a moisturizer if you're going to bed or an SPF if you're heading out for the day. Also, if you want to try a jelly mask yourself after watching this video, be sure to check out the online store and use promo code JELLY10 for a discount code. Or if you're interested in seeing other videos, please click or tap the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.